Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, story progression, unlocked terminal, and required items. Once done, approach the time lab and interact with the console immediately. You choose the specific time fragment you need and confirm the mission parameters. Make sure to check your party composition and consumables before launching. This first action moves you from preparation to execution without wasting time. You'll see a confirmation prompt, accept it, and the sequence triggers, so you can jump into the time stream and begin the mission proper. You'll now configure the mission details, pick the accurate time fragment, and set difficulty to match your skills. Once set, assign support characters and items to cover healing and boost windows because fights can spike suddenly. After configuration, initiate the jump sequence and watch the cutscene. Your control returns right before combat. During the mission, rotate characters strategically, exploit enemy patterns, and manage Kai. This keeps momentum. If a boss overwhelms you, retreat to resupply and tweak difficulty, or you finish by completing objectives, heading to the exit point, and extracting to lock in rewards. Once done, save immediately and claim any time-exclusive items in the reward screen. If objectives remain, backtrack to the terminal to restart the fragment. Troubleshooting. If the sequence bugs or enemies respawn incorrectly, reload the last checkpoint, clear cache by restarting the game, and lower difficulty or swap characters. This resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to successful time hopping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.